here at Universal Studios again for a new HHN 2018 update.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
And if you're new to the channel, we post weekly HHN videos, so definitely subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you're excited to see all of the new work going on inside the park. So let's go on in there. So today we're gonna start with the studio tour because we've seen some pictures of tents up now. Maybe we'll see some hints of terror tram props laying around, fingers crossed. A few of you guys were asking in the last construction update where Stranger Things is. That's soundstage 29. Stop. That's soundstage 29 and we can't see that from the studio tour, but you can see that the Metro sets has 2 mazes in construction now, so you know things are getting real. We're 3 months away, guys. Get hyped.
Don't look like they're up, but you can currently hear workers behind the wall. So, my eyebrows?
Yeah. So there you guys have it, June 20th, the latest HHN 2018 construction update. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I'm loving it.
If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and what's our shameless plug of the day?
Make sure to check out Awkward Arctic tees and long sleeve. I don't know what he has for sale, but check out the link in the description below. Great
advertisement. Really appreciate that.
Like and subscribe.
I already said that.
Oh, I wasn't listening. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.